my time in Italy is finished. I fly back to Dublin tomorrow morning. I spent a really good 4 days, and today my last day in Turin, but weather gave me some rain, and actually I'm super happy. I can see this beautiful white city full of water with this extra sparkling and shining ambience everywhere, because the lights and the wet floor looks so amazing. I did lots of fabulous photos. I'm wet, but you know, in Ireland it's rain all the time. Actually that does not really bother me. I'm so happy. That was really good 4 days. City is beautiful. I'm so happy I have an opportunity to be in Turin, and that will be always stay in my mind, in my heart. I bought lots of small fridge magnets and pencils to my collection, but when I come back home I will show you what I bought. Actually, I record 12 hours of videos. I have a lot. After I will use this for my vlogs from Turin, from Sherry, Turin by night, by day, hop on. Amazing. Thank you very much for watching. If you're watching this video, that means I'm already in Dublin. I will back good few days ago, but slowly. I just don't have a time, but if I will, I start posting how much I can to show you how beautiful this place is. Greetings from Turin. Thank you very much.